In western portions of Jefferson County, your warning runs
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Clarion, Forest, and Venango. Effective until 5:45 p.m., the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, west central Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Forest County in northwestern Pennsylvania. Until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oil City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Oil City, Sugar Creek, Tionesta, Hassan Heights, Seneca, Brownsville, Woodland Heights, Pleasantville, West Hickory, Star, East Hickory, Cranberry Township. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 41262-1988 to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.